Hi, welcome to another tutorial by Branded Hair Extensions. Today we're going to teach you how to dropship hair from Dropship and wholesale hair website by Branded Hair Extensions step by step. First step is to go to the Dropship and wholesale hair website. So enter the URL dropship.brandedhairextensions.com and you will get to the main wholesale site page. You can also come to this page from our main site under Start Your Hair Business here, go to membership site, and boom, you're back on the same page. On this website, you'll be able to purchase hair at discounted wholesale prices, and Branded Hair Extensions will package the hair in your packaging and ship to your customers. The discounted wholesale prices and dropshipping service are for members only. We offer different types of memberships, all without any sign-up fees. You can also purchase a website, free hosting, and dropshipping membership where we will design a website for you and host it for free and dropship your orders. These memberships give you access to our entire inventory so you can just start dropshipping without investing money in your own stock. This is also perfect for hairstylists who have very busy schedules and just cannot take care of shipping. So you just got an order from your customer and you need to arrange the shipment ASAP. What you need to do is log in to Branded Hair Extensions Dropship wholesale site with your membership info. So this website is for members only, and you need to have a membership in order to purchase anything at wholesale prices on this website. So our dropship and wholesale hair site is very easy to navigate and very organized. You just have to go under product and find your product category. Whether it's bundle deals, it's Brazilian, Malaysian, closure, frontal, or wig. You have to find your product's category first in order to locate the product in the fastest way. If you know the name of the product that you're trying to dropship, just simply type in the name in the search bar at the top of the website. You'll be able to find the product within seconds. Once you are in the product directory, you're going to see a bunch of products that are in the same category that you searched for. Now you can use the sidebar on the left to help you narrow down your options. This does take a little bit of scrolling at first, but once you get familiarized with the dropship and wholesale hair website, you can find your product within seconds. Now, for example, your customer bought a 14-inch Malaysian body wave bundle. Let's just use that as an example. All you have to do is find it and add it to cart and double check if that matches your customer's order. Now this step is really optional, but if you don't have other branding ideas or options, we strongly suggest anyone who's dropshipping from Branded Hair Extensions to include a custom thank you note order detail, because this creates a professional image for your business and your customers might really appreciate your extra effort for trying to let them know that you shipped out the correct order. So to print the thank you note, you just have to go under branding and go to thank you notes. Branded Hair Extensions will print this custom invoice for free and include it in the package every time you drop ship from this website. So you can have a pre-written paragraph that includes your contact information, a little bit of customer appreciation, for example, like thank you for shopping with me or thank you for supporting my brand. It's always good to show your customers that you are in contact with them and you care that they have supported your business. It is also advised that you include the order details in this invoice if you don't send your customers electronic invoices. This is to remind your customers that you have shipped out the correct items. Of course, this is a very basic branding option if you don't want to invest too much in branding at the beginning stage of your business. As your business develops, you might want to add brochures into your packaging so that you can offer your customers bundle deals or any kind of discounts or holiday discounts. It's a great way to ensure that your customers are all going to return to shop with you again. So now, after you check all the typos, if there is any, you want to add this thank you note to cart. And now you can see everything that is in your cart, including the product and the thank you note. The reason why braided hair extensions is called branded is because we offer plenty of branding options for you to dress and brand your hair business. We offer logo design, soft hair bags, shopping bags, high-end brochure, bundle chokers, pin tags, stickers, and plenty of other options for branding so you can dress the hair that you are selling to your customers in your own packaging. So if you've ordered branding and packaging with us, this is how you let us know that you want us to package hair in your own packaging when we drop ship to your customers. So when you go to view card, you want to ensure that the products and the thank you note that you added to this card are 100% correct and match your customer's orders. We're only using a demo shipping address here. You can change the shipping address when you proceed to checkout. So now you're in the checkout page. This step is very important. You want to fill out your own name and your own billing address under the billing details. This address has to match your PayPal billing address or your bank card information because you're the person that's paying for this order even though this hair is being shipped to your customers. Your customers already paid you the funds in your PayPal or bank account, so you will have enough money to pay for this order and keep your profit. So now you need to check ship to different address and enter your customer's shipping address. This is where we will ship the hair to. So you want to make sure this information is 100% correct and matches what your customer provided you. So now we're going to show you how you can let braided hair extensions know that you have custom branding and you want us to package the hair in your own packaging. So order notes is the place where our team will look at when we prepare our shipment. You want to enter your custom branding number here. Custom branding number is a number that will send to you if you order custom branding and packaging from braided hair extensions. So if you have done that, you probably have that number already somewhere in your email. Just simply enter that here in the notepad and maybe a few sentences to describe how you want us to put the package together. We will package the hair and ship that to your customers in your own packaging. So the next step is the final step of the whole process. After double checking your order detail, your billing details, and your shipping address, you will enter your own credit card or your PayPal and just place the order and check out. So this is how you drop ship from dropship.braidedhairextensions.com, and your job is completely done here. Braided Hair Extensions will take on and package the hair and ship to your customers. So that's all. Thank you for watching this video, and if you like this video, please remember to give us a thumb up and subscribe to Braided Hair Extensions. You can also find us on Facebook support group, Hairbox Seminar, and Instagram Braided Hair Extensions. Links are all below. Follow us on any of the channels and stay tuned to useful information, educational blogs, and trending styles sales by Braided Hair Extensions.